Ho, 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 Santa Van here with my little elf,
Sophia.
And today we are going to pull the winners for the raffles that helped us support our holiday giveaway. Okay, before we dive into pulling the winners, what I want to say first is thank you to every single person that supported this. It's really humbling when you reach out and you ask for folks to help you get something done. And I got to tell you, we got a lot of help. There are going to be 30 families receiving a $500 gift card to help make their Christmas better. I'm really proud of that. And in full transparency, you all helped us get halfway home to that debt. Right? We're taking care of the other half. We got our good friends over at Helmet House. I'm going to give them a big shout out right now. My man, Rick Choate. The showy helmet that we're giving away, I think Rick's paying for that. That's pretty badass, right? When you get a bunch of people together, working together to make life a little bit easier for others. You all should be very proud of yourself. I'm proud. When I look at that list of names, there's a lot of names on there that I recognize, some that I don't, but a lot of them that I do and that I've known for years. Some people on the list actually reached out and asked for help for someone else and then came in and donated, right? I saw that repeat itself multiple times. Really proud to be associated with all y'all. And what I did for the drawing is I brought in the big gun. I brought in my darling little elf, Sophia, pulled her out of computer school for a little bit. You love that, don't you? Hold the helmet, kid. Because we got to mix these up. We're going to start off with the boots. This is the drawing for the SuperTech R boots, and I want to make sure that we get this mixed up pretty good here. You can't look either. You got to reach in there. It's got to be fair and square. And then we have to hope I can read it without my glasses. What's so funny about that? Huh? You wait, you're going to be old someday. It's going to happen. I can't say your last name, Valentin, but this is Valentin. I remember you from Facebook for sure. You got the boots, my man. Thank you very much for all of your donations. Brand new SuperTech R boots, my man. Next up, hold the helmet, kiddo. We're going to do the showy X14 helmet. I get these mixed up. I think this was the most popular item in the whole bunch. All right, kiddo. Let's pick a winner. Who do we got here? Oh, this is funny because I just filled all these tickets out. Rob Malinowski, this dude bought 5 entries for the Showy X14, and your bet paid off, my man. You are the winner of the helmet. That's pretty cool. All right, and last and certainly not least, the Alpine Stars GP Tech V3. It's the same suit your brother crashed in all year. Hold on to the helmet. 2 of them he crashed out. He should stop crashing, shouldn't he? I feel like I'm always fixing his bike. All right, kiddo. This is the big one. $2,000 race suit right here. Dwight Wood, my man, you are the winner of the GP Tech V3 race suit. I'm going to reach out to all you all that have won independently. You guys will be able to choose your size and color from what's available right now. We'll get you guys all taken care of quickly. But now we got to get our butts in gear. We got to get all these gift cards shipped out to everyone. Thanks again for everyone who took part in this. I'm proud to be associated with you, and I hope you all feel the same way. Have a Merry Christmas with your family as well.